go that Harlasaki.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video. Hey, man, I'm your boy C. Hey, man, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, you know what it is. Welcome back. And I told y'all I was going to let you see this mod I finished. I did a few changes to my bike. We're going to go in the garage, and I'm going to show it to you. We're going to take a ride. Hey, and I hope you enjoy it, man. And leave me a comment of what you think. Let's do it.
Ooh, that is a Harley bag. That's a Harley Davidson bag. See, it got that groove right there.
I don't even have to break in.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Which one?
And,
But it ain't a fact.
but that would work.
Yeah. That's gonna be perfect. We just have to go take that
And go get a longer
and
bolt.
go down to Ace.
That's a 3/8 bolt. 3/8 18 bolt.
Yeah. Hang on, let's just put a bolt right there. But we had it sitting up there a while ago. Let's see how close this one is. This here, you know. Back. Crap.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Right there.
Okay, that's where it goes?
Yeah.
Give me that. Anyway, can you go back there and look? Does it look as high as it did a while ago?
No, it's pretty much where it probably should be.
I mean, but is it noticeable?
Okay, you can let it go.
Different.
You can let it go right there.
No, it looks pretty.
That's a lot lower, but it is sticking out a long way.
Yeah, that's what I don't like about it. Having to stick out that. You talking about this spacer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, even if this was hugged up against the bike, I mean, you're only gaining an inch and a half.
Yeah.
Or an inch.
An inch.
Yeah.
That might do it, just that inch though, huh?
Yeah, but the thing is
You have
in
change
order
the
to do
stand.
that, you got to take all this back off.
I don't feel it.
Here's
Said
the
he dumped
front.
them back in there somehow.
So the problem they're having, they just saying there's so much space in between. Can I live with that? And I mean, I think I can. Look at it from the back. You just have that space in between. You just have that space right here.
Then it wasn't. Them lock pins are hard to put on, dude.
Hi, you are currently being
Can you get it?
I don't know if I put it on by hand. Can you hold this right here? Dude, that looks
You
good.
are currently
A Harlasaki.
Harlasaki, Kawasaki bike, and Harley Bags. Harlasaki.
I think that looks good.
Makes it look bigger.
And now, lower the whole bike in the back 2 inches.
Yeah, you would, huh?
You wouldn't believe it.
All right, we're halfway there. We got one side on. Now we just have to do the other side. We're halfway there. Huh. What do you think? What does it look like? I didn't like the round Kawasaki bags that they offered, so I went on and got some that fit the Harley Softail. So we'll see when we get it back, put it all together.
How close is your pipes under there?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
You know, it'll be hot right in there. See, but that went down because we were messing with it too much.
Finishing touches.
You see, what
So we did pretty good, but look, we got all these bolts left over. But we got it on though. It's on there.
Can you sit on it and see if it bothers your leg?
All right, we're bringing her down. I just look like I did some work, but Triple T did all the work.
You did a lot. I couldn't have done it without you.
I was the gopher. There we go. We'll show it again in the daylight tomorrow. We done lost our lights, but so far so good. There go that Harlasaki. Man, those bags look really good on it. I don't know. I think if you want to do that, the bags didn't fit. Triple T had to make them fit. So he had to do a lot of adjusting and a lot of different things. We didn't modify the bike at all. But he got them on there and they look really good. So, you know, if you're going to do it, you have to make sure you get somebody that know what they're doing. Because there's a lot of finagling going on. And it looks good. Can't wait to see it in the daylight. Here's the paint that we're using, the silver paint. All right, so the paint is dried and this is what they look like. Look pretty decent compared to what they looked like before. And here is the other side. We're gonna take the tape off the actual speakers, then I have to lock them back down. And here they are. Look good as new now. All right, man, it's the next day, and here it is. Got those Harlasaki bags on there. So what do you think? We got to ride and see what it's gonna look like with the bags on there. But put it in the comments. What do you think? What did it look like to you? Should I have kept the old bags, the old leather bags, or no bags at all, or these Harley bags? Put it in the comments. Let me know what you think. They're looking pretty good to me. I'm just getting the bikes now. Just getting the bikes. Just want to get a good shot of all the bikes. All right, so what did y'all think? That was a good little ride. First ride with the new bags on there. What you think? It's that Harlasaki. That's what it looked like from the front. I don't know. The verdict's still out with me. Y'all let me know in the comments. The leather bags, the original leather bags, no bags, or these black Harley bags. I mean, I could live with them either way. I mean, I like the look though. Has a really good look to it.